Hey guys, welcome to another episode of LFS Shop Shop. This week my mate Graham, XA Coupe guy, and I are going to restore a Corolla in one day. So we're going to bog it and paint it and get it all finished in one day. So if you want to check out his side of the story, his video, check out XA Coupe guy on YouTube and I'll put a link in the description. Let's get into it. So just before I start this video, check out my Patreon like Billy McKay has. So shout out to him. He's my only Patreon so far, but he's a champ, so check it out. So today we're working on the K55. I did a video on this a long time ago and did some very bad bog work and some very bad paint. So we've got a friend, he's helping us. This is Graham, XA Coupe guy, and he is actually a professional. At what? Panel beating and rust repair and paint. So this is going to be a pretty dodgy job for him, and it's pretty standard for me. So let's get stuck into it. We'll get the time lapse going, mask everything up, and that'll be it.
If you close your eyes, it's amazing.
Yeah, exactly. Blind man would be happy to see it.
Yeah, exactly.
So Graham's found a dent.
Look away.
He hit it with a crowbar first, so that was his prep, and now he's just bogging straight on top of it.
I didn't say we were going to do it properly.
Good job, buddy. I was just going to leave it, so this is better than what I would have done.
I'll just smooth it out a little.
Perfect. So Graham's just made a little funnel out of tape so that he can put some expanding foam in this guard, and then he's going to send the expanding foam back and then fill it with bog. So we're using the old bonnet as a bench, and he's got the paint lids as a mixing cup, and he's mixing expanding foam.
Well, I've never done this, so I'm winging it. So you reckon it's 1-to-1?
1-to-1 and mix it like crazy. Like stir it like crazy.
Mix it when it's over there, so
yeah.
I'm going to try and get it in that hole.
In the crevice.
La crevice.
They're rock hard.
That one is. This one's still there.
We have to go to Bunnings. So we're going to Bunnings with XA Coupe guy in a XB sedan. That doesn't work.
It does. The channel name was done yonks ago.
Explain yourself. So we're back from Bunnings. We got a little can of expanding foam, and Graham's going to fill in the hole.
Well, not just that hole, there's one at the back and one on the other side.
There's
the other one.
Holes everywhere. There's nothing down here, it's fine.
I'd like to admit that I've never used this stuff because I'm not this dodgy. However, I've always wanted to.
There's a hole here as well. That looks pretty good. Looks better than my job of bog.
You'd expect me to be good at it considering I was trained to do it. All that training you turned it to be utter crap.
It is your job. And there's a little one here as well.
It's just easier to put a bit of expander foam in it, that way you don't have to put mountains of bog in it, because it does fall back out.
Yeah, that's the problem I was having. It was just like running out pretty much.
That's why people put loaves of bread and chicken wire and
all sorts of stuff in there.
Stuff stuffed up in the holes. I'll admit that I've been chonky once where I had a hole and I put masking tape over the hole and then bogged over the top of that.
Oh,
It wasn't very thick, but it looked great.
We won't ask what car that was on.
So do we dare do this on camera?
Yeah.
Look, it says don't use on your automobile if you're going to rattle can it later in the day.
But we don't listen to instructions.
I don't know, let's see what happens.
Go for it.
Oh.
That is going to go everywhere. It keeps expanding, by the way.
Does it?
Yeah.
Have you got more cardboard?
We might need some more.
Get up there.
It's fine. Just run some tape over it.
Yeah, okay. I don't think that's going to fall out, is it?
I don't know. Doesn't matter.
I'll wipe a bit there. Alright, drag this over. Let's go to another hole. Come on, kids. How big's the hole on this thing?
It's not too bad.
Reckon?
Oh, under there. I forgot about that one.
That didn't really work.
Open the boot. Oh no, that's full of foam, isn't it?
I don't know how well this is going to work. Where's my bog applicator? I'll get that stuff in there.
My hands are busy.
That made it worse.
Yep. Just get your bog applicator and take it off the floor and just jam it back in there. You're like, my God, he's right. That's not going to work.
Oh, it filled the other hole beautifully.
Okay. Professionals. Professional at work.
Pretty sure I was trained to do this.
It's getting there.
We'll get there. Here's little faith.
So we just tested the paint.
Because he can't help himself.
I can't help myself. It's slightly more fire truck than I was expecting, but we've committed now, so it's going to be fire truck red. How do you feel about that? It's
Thank God it's not my car.
it's bright. I was kind of hoping it would be more of this colour, but it's not.
What was the colour you originally picked?
The same as what's on the boot, which is like metallic pink,
Yeah.
pinky red.
You ever gonna do that?
I do, but I don't think I've got enough and they don't sell it anymore.
Okay. That's a good one.
It's a closer colour than the red is, but it's fine. It'll be fine. Everything is fine. Alright, so we're working on the 55 for a little while now. The expanding foam is not dry and it is leaking. But this side has been masked off and the back. While I was doing that, Graham was doing good things and has made the car look presentable.
Well,
You got like a reasonably smooth guard, a hole he hasn't got to,
the roof's come up alright.
some bog on the doors. The roof's coming up pretty good. He hit this with a crowbar and the dent popped out. And then some bog. Then we've got another hole down here. And the guard where all the fender flares are all a bit better now. And we've got a different bonnet on because this one's slightly better than the other one. So we're getting there, but it's just taking some time. So thank you very much. It wasn't going to happen without you, so it's good to get it done.
It needs 2 morons.
2 morons. We're getting there. It's getting painted today regardless of quality.
Yeah. It will be red by the end of today.
It's currently red.
It'll be more red.
It'll be more red.
It'll be this red.
It'll be that red. Where's your mask, buddy?
It's at the workshop.
So we haven't started this side yet. We've only done the other side. We're trying to finish the other side off, let it back down, jack this side up, and then we'll do this side, and then we can paint. So Graham's doing a good job. He thinks he's doing a bad job, but it looks 10 times better than anything I would do. So we've got this spot here, we've got a few around the top of the arch, and then on the back we've got what was an arch at some point and now is made of bog, and then this bit down the bottom here. So it's a bit easier than the other side, and less of it to fix. So hopefully we'll be done pretty soon, and we can start painting the red. So Graham's just doing the last of the bog work now. We're getting pretty sick of it. So we've got a little bit here and a little bit on the door at the back, and then we're going to move it outside and clean it off and then paint it. So pretty dodgy, pretty quick, but it does what it needs to do. All the bog is done, all the sanding is done. We've wax and grease removed it, and now we're going to spray it. So time lapse some Fire Truck Red. Hey guys, Jeff from LFH Chop Shop here. Just interrupting this week's video to let you know that I've started a Patreon account. So if you'd like to support the channel, head over to patreon.com/LFH Chop Shop and you'll see 3 different levels of membership. There's $4 a month, $8 a month, and $12 a month. So if you don't want to sign up, don't sign up. If you do, that'd be great. Pick whatever level you want. I'm not going to hold it against you. It'd be just great to have your support. So on Patreon, you'll find limited edition stickers. I'll hopefully be doing merch soon. There's some secret squirrel business going on there. You'll be able to talk to me directly. You'll be able to ask me questions that I'll put on my TikTok videos. You'll be able to get your name in the titles or the credits of the YouTube videos. And there'll be heaps more later, so check it out at patreon.com/LFH Chop Shop. Let's get back to the video. So I spent way too long taking the tint off the windows. So just the 4 side ones, I didn't worry about these ones. Peeled it all off, which took forever. It was a razor blade job. And then wax and grease remover cleaned all the windows. Still need to clean them again with like Windex and stuff, but it's not too bad. Put the indicators back in last night, put the grill back in last night. Just got to, I found some badges, so I got to put the badges on. Got to find some mirrors for it. Got to paint the door frame around this side. Got to put the vents back in. It's got a new battery. Got new tyres coming tonight. And then I just need to give it a service and a bit of a tune-up and find a steering wheel for it, and then we're all done. I was going to do some colourful black like stripes or something on the side, but I think it's a safe sell like this. If I make graphics on it or something, if I put like scallops on it like I was hoping, it might be a bit harder to sell. So at least like this, it's a safe sell. It's easy looking. It's an easy car to sell because it's nice and clean. Looks all one colour. Looks pretty good. So fix those few things that I just said and drive it for a little bit, and then I'll sell it. Alright, so the K55 Corolla is pretty much done as far as I'm concerned. I fixed a bunch of the lights yesterday, half of them weren't working. They all seem to be working now, which is good. As you can see, it came out pretty well. It's a bit hard to film in my driveway with the highlights right there, but it's pretty good. The paint's a little bit chalky in a few spots. And there's a few pinholes and stuff up here in the bog, which you can kind of see. But it's reasonably good for what we were doing. One day resto, it's pretty good. So this is the Corolla. This might be my last chance to film it, so I put it up for sale last night, got a few people interested. See if we can get rid of it today or tomorrow. So I also got brand new tyres for the K55 and repainted the wheels again because I got a little bit of green overspray from the Seahawk. So fresh tyres, fresh paint on the rims, painted all the vents, peeled off all the window tint, painted the wipers and stuff. So it came out alright. Chucked a mirror on it. So yeah, I took the previous owner for a drive yesterday. She drove it for about an hour or so. Loved it. So she misses her white Corolla, which is the one out the back that got rear-ended. So need to fix that one, I guess, but it's a lot of work. So we'll see how we go. But yeah, that's the K55. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.